Today we're diving into an existing project to add some new features. We'll check out code from GitHub, analyze it using NonBIOS, add functionality, test it, deploy it, and check it back into GitHub. The project we're working with is called Kortex, an initial project that NonBIOS checked in a few months ago. We're building this internally at NonBIOS as an LLM prompt evaluation framework. With Cortex, you can create prompts and prompt workflows, then evaluate them using different large language models. And yes, it's all open source. You can find the code on the NonBIOS-1 GitHub page. Let's get started. I'll have NonBIOS pull in the Cortex source code and review it. Look at that. NonBIOS is already cloning the GitHub repository into its Linux sandbox. Pro tip, you can follow NonBIOS's progress by watching the commands it executes. Think of it as pair programming with your AI buddy. Here's the output from that step. NonBIOS has reviewed the code base and outlined what exists and what needs to be built. As you can see, the project is about halfway there. Let's get it to a working state so we can better understand where we stand. We'll keep it simple and use MySQL since it's already installed in the Linux sandbox. Work smarter, not harder, right? NonBIOS presents the revised plan. Now let's get this show on the road. Quick reminder, this video is running at 2 times speed. If NonBIOS seems slower in real life, don't worry. Even AI needs its coffee breaks. NonBIOS keeps us updated with progress reminders. It's like having a very detailed, slightly obsessive project manager. Let's keep our scope tight and get something working ASAP. Remember, perfect is the enemy of done. Watch as NonBIOS autonomously fixes errors along the way. It's like having a self-healing code base. Pretty neat, huh? NonBIOS works step by step, and you can always scroll up to follow along. This comes in handy when NonBIOS needs guidance later. You'll notice NonBIOS periodically reflecting on its progress. Use these moments to understand where we're at and provide input if needed. Though honestly, most of the time, you can just sit back and watch the magic happen. Oh, MySQL isn't running. But no sweat. NonBioS usually handles these hiccups by itself. All while you maintain that professional "I totally knew that would happen" expression. You've heard of Netflix and chill? Well, welcome to NonBioS and Chill. Grab your favorite beverage and watch as NonBioS builds your software. It's like Bob Ross, but for coding. I'll be honest, I have no idea what NonBioS is doing right now. But that's the beauty of it. With NonBioS, you can focus on the big picture and let it handle the nitty-gritty details. Unless something catches fire, then maybe we should pay attention. Looks like we're almost there. NonBIOS is setting up the UVCon server, and we should be able to get our hands on Kortex soon. And we're live. The server is up. Let's give it a test drive. Health check. Operational API. Looking good. List workflows. Working well. We'll deep dive later. Before we build the next part of Cortex, let's check everything back into GitHub. I've covered these steps in detail in another video, but basically, grab your GitHub personal access token, give it to NonBIOS along with your user ID and registered email, and watch it work its magic. And there we go. NonBIOS checks it all in. Head over to GitHub to see the updated code. Stay tuned to this series to watch us use NonBIOS to build a complete, working end-to-end SaaS application in public. Remember, all the Cortex source code is public on the NonBIOS-1 GitHub account. Coming up next, we'll build a frontend for Cortex, add authentication, host it on a platform as a service provider, connect it with a domain name, and launch it. It's like Extreme Makeover, Software Edition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch all of this being built in real time.